Okay, so here's the Caviness Motorbike, number one. Well, actually, I guess you could say that's number two. The first one had a little bit different frame on it, but this is our display for the Caviness Motorbike. See the riding boots and the riding hat and gloves there. Here's my pseudo jersey leather jacket. You can see here the hub adapter. Those are great. Those are actually kind of a must-have item. There's the CR machine head and the Sportsman Flyer crank there and tank. And those are special boardy bars from Board Tracker bars, Sportsman. Brooks Flyer seat there. Leather saddle. You can see this Brooks right there. These are Continental moped tires, actually. These particular tires probably have about, I guess, about 2,000 miles on them probably, so they really wear well. And those are replacements eventually if I want to go with white or cream tires. And that's the drum brake there, the Monarch Springer forks. You can see. I'd show you these really cool Edison bulbs, but for some reason they don't want to photograph or video well, but they look really cool in person. So that's the Caviness Motorbike, number two, officially number two. See you guys later.